Welcome everyone to Kenny's vlog. Today we will be doing a empty house tour. But before we get into the video, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. And to my new subscribers, please remember to click that post notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Welcome guys, we have reached our destination. Stop for a minute and have a close look. This is the living and dining area. As you can see, it is empty, so it's up to you to put the furniture of your choice in here. Welcome again guys. Now let's go to the kitchen area. Here is a small kitchen, but for a small family, this is more than suitable. Take a good look. Here we have the switch, a window, over here we have our sink, and the stove is right beside the sink. This is a granite countertop, small but cute. I was trying to open these drawers, but because I was using my left hand, it was hard for me to open holding the camera. I like the design. Right here, you can put whatever you would like on the hair. It's a bit spacey or spacious. I was trying to open these as well. I was only successful at opening these. No. So guys, we're at the bathroom area. The bathroom is located beside the kitchen and closer to the wash area. Over here we have a small wash area. Only a machine can hold there. Now let's go on the outside. This is the backyard. That's ready to mince. We don't have much backyard, but you can make it what you want. Now this is the board step, and I want to take you upstairs with me. Now let's go up these lovely steps. I love the color. I love how the white railing complements the color of the steps. Up here we have 2 bedrooms. Let's enter the first bedroom. This is a beautiful view in this bedroom. It is spacious. We have an AC there. Over here we have a built-in closet. I love how creative this looks. It has 6 drawers. Love the uniqueness, but guys, in the same breath I was just admiring myself, thinking how much I lost some weight. to the next bedroom. So here we have a bedroom with another built-in closet. Onto the bathroom. So it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1 kitchen, living and dining, and the veranda. So one of the bathroom is upstairs and the other bathroom is downstairs. Downstairs. I really love the steps. These tiles are cute. I love them. So you can have here for your storage area. You can put your food, whatever you'd like. It's up to you. It's your house. You do whatever you would like to do.